Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert column chart in Google Slides. So for example, we have here this presentation, and if you want to insert a column chart in the first slide, we need to of course select this slide, and after that we need to go to Insert tab, we need to go to Chart Settings, and here we need to select column chart. It is very important to select this option because after that this chart will be successfully inserted to our presentation. But of course we don't want to have this data in our slides, so we need to edit this chart. So we need to click on this one icon, three dots, and here we need to select open source. Then we will see here the Google Sheets with the data inserted in our chart. So for example, I want to edit this chart, so I type here data which I want to display. For example, I will type here names. I will type here Matthew. I will type here maybe Barbara. I type here maybe Philip. And here maybe I will type John. And here I will type maybe number of sales. I will resize this column and maybe I will delete this column. I click right mouse button on it and I click delete column. And I will modify the numbers here. For example, 40. I type here maybe 7 for Barbara and maybe 15 for Philip and maybe 20 for John. Okay, so it is the preview of our column chart. If we want to insert it in Google Slides, we need to go back to Google Slides, and here we need to click on Update button. After that, it will be successfully inserted to our presentation. So in this way you can insert the chart, but it's not the over yet because we didn't change the header here. We don't want to have here points scored, so we need to go back to the Google Sheets, and here we can edit it by clicking double time on it. And for example, I will type here number of sales. After that, I click somewhere outside of this box, and then I go back to the presentation. I select the chart and I click update. How you see, it has been successfully updated to number of sales. So in this way you can add and edit column chart in Google Slides. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you solve your problem.